Turn off the water, drain the tank and bowl, disconnect the supply, remove the bolts, lift the toilet, assess the flange, install the new seal, reset the toilet, and reconnect the water in that order to avoid damage and rework. Begin by shutting off the shutoff valve to the toilet and then flush until the tank and bowl are empty, using a sponge to remove residual water from the tank and bowl so you do not spill on the floor. Place a small bucket and towels nearby, and disconnect the water supply line at the tank using an adjustable wrench while holding the tank fitting with another wrench to avoid twisting the tank fitting. Remove the closet bolts that secure the toilet to the flange by loosening the nuts and gently rocking the bowl to break the old wax or seal. Then lift the toilet straight up and set it on a protected surface. Toilets are heavy and awkward, so use a second person or a dolly if available. Immediately plug the drain with a rag or a foam drain stopper to prevent sewer gas and to keep small items from falling in. Inspect the flange for damage, corrosion, or improper height. Measure the flange height relative to the finished floor, because a flange too low or too high will require a flange extender or repair ring and possibly shimming to get a proper seal. Choose the correct new wax ring or waxless seal based on flange condition and closet flange height. Center it on the flange, lower the toilet straight down, aligning the mounting holes. Press evenly to compress the seal. Secure the nuts to the bolts with even hand pressure, then final tighten with a wrench alternating sides and stopping as soon as the bowl is snug and not rocking. Reconnect the supply line. Turn the water back on slowly while checking for leaks at the base and at the supply connection, and then test flush several times to confirm a solid seal and no rocking. If there is movement, use anti-rocking shims and retighten the bolts gently. Common mistakes include not fully draining the tank and bowl, which causes spills and mess. Avoid this by using a sponge to remove all residual water and keeping towels handy. Another frequent issue is a damaged or improperly seated flange, leading to leaks or instability. If you find cracks, breaks, or the flange is below finished floor level, install a flange repair kit or extender and ensure the flange sits at the correct height before setting the seal. Over-tightening the closet, bolts can crack the porcelain, and under-tightening leaves the bowl rocking. Hand tighten first, then alternate small wrench turns and stop when the bowl is firm but not stressed, using plastic shims to level then trim excess. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for toilet replacement and other renovation tasks, and we also help contractors find work in their service areas. We host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople exchange practical tips, ask questions, and share real project experiences.